ma'am, this is amazing, meticulous, but I will have to go into deep. Yes, that is why action taking. Knowing is not doing. Only actions will give you result. The moment you do, so that is why what are the actions you need to close? ETR, written, 2 lines. I am the founder of years of experience, number of people transformed, and the benefits you have given them. Your story, you don't have to write full story. Employee to entrepreneur story, victim of office politics story, okay, or the my Lokmanya Tilak story of speaking, whatever is that story, right? That's it, right? And then values, just integrity, compassion, customer delight. I've given you everything. Even mission statement template has been given, right? In most of the programs, they just say that you write down your mission statement. How to write down mission statement here? Right? I've also given you that template, how to write the mission statement. I've given a PDF on what, very consolidated, that, okay, what is mission, vision in brief, how much you must know. Values, a list of values. All you have to do is read that document, pick up 4 values that resonate with you right now, define that value in few words, and see if there is a story, or just leave empty story to be identified. At least your work item is done. You have to identify a story for this piece, right? So what I want right now is your mission statement, your vision statement, your course name. If you a unique name, it's okay. If you don't have unique name right now, we will look at it. Name, decide your course. The name should be outcome based. For example, for Teenath, we had discussed hashtag I am the best blueprint. Then hashtag I am the best challenge, her next level actually. Or it could be hashtag I am the best formula. Hashtag I am the best, it is with fluke model, we cannot say, but for knowledge business model, a knowledge business blueprint, or knowledge business formula, all 3 are relevant here, right? So create and sell blueprint, create and sell online courses blueprint, right? So outcome should also be there in the name. Create and sell, outcome. Hashtag I am the best, right? Outcome, right? So it's very important that outcome is there in the name of your course. Now, this is something new I am discussing with you today, though I wanted to do it later, but if in the flow it is coming, then it's important that we tick it off, right? So what I want: vision, mission, course name, target audience, okay? Then the 3 pains or untold pains of fears and frustrations of your target audience, okay? You see, to come up with the good statements, I have explained you so much about pain, problem, untold pain, all those things, but you just have to absorb those content, and what you need to do is simply write the fears and frustrations. 3 statements you write, that's all. Then how they will gain, how they will benefit, basically, and they want certain end goal, which is their dreams and desires, but there are means to that end goal, and whatever gains you give them are means to the end goal. So when you add the word so that, the end goal, okay? So boost your confidence or become self-learner so that you can keep clearing any competitive exam with total confidence. Become a self-learner so that you can crack any competitive exams effortlessly and get into university of your choice or get placed into your dream job. So that, can you see how I'm connecting that with the word so that, the dreams and desires, right? So I want pain, I want 3 pain statement, 3 gain statement, okay? Pick up 1 gain statement, write 3 questions, 1 why question, 1 what question, 1 how question. For each of these questions, write 3 experiential knowledge bites, what you are going to cover as bullet points. Okay, if you're paying attention and if you are with me, it is not even 15 minutes of work right now for each of you. Okay, if you have been paying attention, if you're absorbing, and if you're learning, if you're in the flow, because all you need to write is a vision statement. And I've just not told you some random, I've actually personally worked with your vision statements, right? Mission statement, okay? Values, if you don't have, I'm fine right now. Your ETR in 2 lines is very simple. I'm the founder of World Class Entrepreneurs Hub. Years of experience, per number of people, and 3 outcomes you have given them. Those outcomes there and here are same only, right? that outcome I was talking, how did they benefit from you? But now you also know their pain, because you have to get their attention. So pain, gain, and your experiential knowledge bites, how you're building your content, right? Okay.